This 2020 K-Z Sportsmen 241 RKSE is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Newfield, New Jersey, 08344 and is offered for sale by Crossroads Trailer Sales, Inc. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used K-Z is 28 feet 6 inches in length and features Sleep 6, DVD player, external shower, auxiliary battery, refrigerator, spare tire kit, oven, LP detector, awning, carbon monoxide detector, air conditioning, and 38 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2020 K-Z Sportsmen 241 RKSE is 5,440 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.